everybody, how you doing? I'm gonna try this again. See if I can hear. Hopefully you can hear me this time. Danielle, can you hear me? Let's see how this goes. I've never had this problem before where it wasn't my listeners. Okay, I gotta figure this out. You guys have a good day. I'll come back. Oh wait, hold on. Let me go back. Dory can hear me? Okay. Alright, I cannot hear myself, so I don't know what's going on. As long as Dory can hear me, that means that we're doing something wrong. So, hopefully, Danny, you can figure out what you're doing wrong, and then I'll figure out what I'm doing wrong. So our challenge today is to do a design 2 different ways. So I'm going to do the Wicked Chickens. This is the one way, multiple colors. And I'm going to do a single color on this big thing I got somewhere. Let me see. I need to kind of, I can see some blemishes there. Let me see if I have something to take that off. Give me 1 second. Use our board eraser because a lot of times it will clear up those issues. How's everybody doing? I've had to lay low today. I drove all day yesterday and today I could hardly get up out of bed. So I have had to lay low. Forced myself to not do anything. So let's see if that'll work. Okay, looks like people can hear now. Alright, so yeah, I just had to lay low today. I couldn't. I think I was in the car too long yesterday, and it just took a toll on my back, and I feel like I had a pinched nerve. So hey Eve, sorry I missed the meeting today. Hey Dory. Yeah, I thought I was okay, but nope, it was a rough drive. I felt fine when I got home, but this morning my body told me differently. So I am going to do a single color, and our challenge on the 12 Days of Chalkmas today was to do one transfer 2 different ways. And so I am choosing to do this all one solid color. Hey Caitlin. So I've made sure that there's no air bubbles, and we are going to do that. This is going to be a fast project, just so you know. If you're interested in joining my VIP type VIP in the comments, and I will add you to my VIP group. And then if you're interested in joining my team, you can just hit join in the comments. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull this because I've already started scraping. I load my squeegee up pretty sparsely sometimes, and then I just end up not having to scrape off much excess so that I can make it a faster project, so to speak. That one needs a little bit more, so I'll just pull it up just so it doesn't dry on the screen. That's what you want to avoid. With ink you can take a little more time, not have to worry about it drying on the screen as much. You still have to worry a little bit, but not as much. With paste, you do have to worry about it drying on the screen, because if it dries on the screen, it'll come up with the screen. So Thank you for joining my live, and check it out. I'm going to pull it off in just a second. That's how fast you can get a project done, just like that. Boom, I love it. I love the simpleness of the white. And I think tomorrow I'll do the other side of this, which is the cow, which says kitchen's closed, this heifer's had it. Depending on the challenge tomorrow, I will do that. But that's my project for the night. What do you guys think? Yes, I got this a long time ago, actually when I first started with Chalk Couture, and I've been waiting for the perfect thing to put on it. And I saw one similar to this at one of our shows. Another designer brought it. And so I told them I was going to make one because it's two-sided, which is awesome, so now I can put the other transfer on it. Maybe I'll do that right now. Why not? Let's do another one. Okay. So I'm going to do the same thing. We're going to keep it simple. We're going to do it all one color. Ooh, I need to clean that too. Just give me 1 second. What do you guys think of just doing all white? Do you like the simplicity of that or no? Let me know what you think. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do the other design, and just for fun, why not? My chalk is already stirred, it's ready to go, so I might as well finish this project. Yeah, sometimes this traveling so much can really take it out on you. I didn't expect this because I thought I was doing great yesterday. I felt really good through my drive, and it just really took it out of me. So maybe this time I'll do another way. So what I'm going to do is just set the chalk up, and we'll do it real fast the other way. Another way, which is just work fast. Okay, so we'll see if it works. We'll try that. Okay, now I just want to get rid of lines. There's all kinds of different ways to do this. I like to do it simple by not overloading my syringe. I've worked in healthcare too many years. Overloading my squeegee. There we go. One more, let's see. Okay, we're going to pull it up. If I can get it up without. So I've had to lay low for today. Oh my gosh, I love it. What do you guys think? Oh my goodness, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I got this a long time ago. I think it was one of those, home decor stores. Craft type stores. But that was at least 1.5 years ago. So it's been a long, long time since I found this. But when I saw it, I knew exactly what I wanted to do I knew I wanted it, but it took me a long time to figure out what I wanted to put on it. And so this is it. What do you guys think? Multi-purpose sign. I am pretty happy with it. And I love, love, love just the simple red, white, and black look. I could have done the chicken red, I could have done the cow another color, but I kind of like the simplicity of what we got going on here. So, if you're interested in joining my VIP group where I offer discounts, please type in VIP. And if you'd like to join my team, I'd love to have you do that too. And just type in join, and I'll get back to you, or you can get back to me either way, or message me, anything. Easy, easy. We're going to keep it simple. So that's it for me. You guys have a good one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Hey everybody, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.